The next case we will look at is the complaint as to the conduct of James C. Jagger, attorney. It was filed in the Supreme Court of Oregon. The Supreme Court held that the attorney who arranged a call between client and client's girlfriend, the girlfriend had a restraining order against the client, violated rules of professional conduct 1.1 for competence. Just a little background, attorney arranged a telephone conversation between client's girlfriend and the client, who had a restraining order against the client and which violated the rules of professional conduct that required the attorney to provide competent representation and prohibited attorneys from engaging or assisting a client in conduct that the lawyer knew was illegal or fraudulent. He arranged for the phone call to be made between his client. The court held that he did violate those rules, and we are going to refer over to Tennessee Rule 1.1 for competence. Shall provide competent representation to a client, requires the legal knowledge, skill, thoroughness, and preparation reasonably necessary for the representation. Legal knowledge and skill, the attorney, is not required to be an expert, but it's a requisite that the knowledge and skill in particular matter. Relevant factors include the complexity and specialized nature of the matter. He doesn't necessarily need special training, prior experience to handle. Again, he doesn't have to be an expert. Thoroughness and preparation, analysis of factual and legal elements of the problem, procedures, adequate preparation, major litigation, and then it goes on to the retaining of contracting with other lawyers, which in this instance does not apply. Maintaining competence. Any reasonable, competent attorney or practitioner in the field should know that they can't help the client engage in conduct that would be adverse to the client, and condone such behavior that would in turn get both the client and the attorney in trouble for assisting in those in the matter. So in this instance, I agree as well that the court found that he violated the rules, and he clearly did, clear convincing that he did violate the restraining order that was, already in place. He arranged for this phone conversation to happen and encouraged for the client to violate that restraining order that was in place.